Naik, and I am currently pursuing BTech CSC from UPS College, and I am currently in second year. And I have studied. I have completed my 12th from Rajiv International School, Mathura, and I live at BSC Road, Mathura.
How was your school life?
My school life up to 10th was very good, but after 10th the school atmosphere has changed heavily. So the my school life after 10th was not that much good,
Why it is?
because after 10th means after Corona, our principal has resigned and the new principal was not that much qualified, and the decision she make was not for the study of the students. It was mainly for the promotion of the school, like for dancing and for sports, and not that much sports also, but for dancing and singing competitions. And the focus on sports and education was not that much like it was prior to the Corona.
How would you rate your school on all the aspects?
If it was the school before the 10th, before my 10th, so it was 10 on 10, but after 10th I would like to rate it around 4 or 5
In what basis?
on the basis of education.
And other activities?
And other activities it was also very good before 10th, but
What
after 10th,
activities were there in that?
like there were many sports facilities, like I think so that in Mathura only lawn tennis and horse riding were only in our school.
Even our school provides horse
I
riding?
think I thought so.
What is the importance of a teacher in your life?
The importance of teacher in my life was very important, because there were several teachers in my several classes. Whom they have guided me on very personal basis.
Guide me, the proper initiation that they guided me.
They guided me on very personal basis.
Okay, if you get a chance, would you like to become teacher?
No, I am not interested in the role of teaching.
So, how will you describe your school life and college life?
My school life was very
Or
disciplined.
how can you differentiate?
How can you differentiate?
We can differentiate the school life and college life based on the freedom that you got. In school there is very disciplined environment, but in college it is entirely different. You are very free in various aspects. It is up to you what you have to do. There is no pressure from your parents or from the college except the attendance.
Accept the attendance. Accept.
Why didn't you try to get
Be louder,
admission?
loud and polite.
Why didn't you try to get admission in Rajiv Academy?
You should implement like this. Why didn't you try to get admission in Rajiv Academy?
Because I thought that it will not be sufficient for my upcoming goals. The degree of Rajiv Academy.
Where is your college?
Dehradun.
Established?
Dehradun.
Dehradun. What is the full name of the college?
The full name is University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, but nowadays the full form has been removed.
Please describe your family background.
I have a joint family in which my father is currently managing his business and my mother is assistant professor in BSc College.
What business your father do?
Does your
Does your
father
father do?
My father does a business on sanitary hardware, plywood and electric wires.
Where is it established?
My shop is at Sock Road near Radhika Palace, and the shop name is Radhika Housewares.
What is the importance of friend in your life?
I have only 2 to 4 friends, but these friends are very close to me, and they have also influenced me in various factors. Like they were the reason that I have pursued my state championship in basketball. So I think the good friends also but help you in maintaining various things, or they can help you in various ways. Like if your friend circle is very good, so you will be taking from their habits. But if your friend circle is very bad, like the majority of your friends are in bad habits, like for example smoking, so there are very high chances that you will also become a smoker in some time.
Which sport do you play?
I have played various sports, like I have played skating at national champion. I have represented at national championship and I have got a bronze medal at that. And I have also played basketball at state level, and I have also played badminton but at district level only.
Why didn't you try to pursue your career in any sport?
I firstly thought about pursuing my career in skating, but at that time which at the time which I was doing skating, the sorry, I forgot the word.
You can tell us in Hindi as well.
सर उसका मतलब उतना चलन नहीं था.
It was not in trend.
It was not in trend. The opportunities were
Or
not
it
that
was
much.
obsolete. It became obsolete. When it is out of trend or fashion, it becomes obsolete.
It was not in trend, and the opportunities were also not good there.
Prevalent.
If someone has no friend, what the problem she and he is facing at that time?
If someone has no
What will the
friend,
life be? What will the life be
What
without
will the life
friends?
if someone has no friends, firstly their communication skill may not be that much adequate. Like they will hesitate to talk to any person, any random person. And secondly, they will bottom up all of their grievances and the things that they cannot share to their parents freely. So there are only two medium for a person to share their grievances. Like they can share with their parents and family, and they can share with their friends. And the things we share with both of them are different. We cannot share each thing to both of them.
How
Which,
many?
sub-
Yes.
which subject does your mother teach in a college?
Economics.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling, a younger brother. He is currently in 6th class in Mount Little Z School.
Will you tell me that what are the reasons that some people are able to influence anyone easily and they have a kind of a magnetic aura that whenever
Charismatic.
charismatic.
Huh.
That wherever they enter, the people try to speak to them by their own, and everyone is just trying to praise them. But and in reality, they are not the actual they are not that much good. But they have this kind of personality that people like to praise them or make them happy. And on the other side, there are some people who are actually of a very good nature, have good habits, but still they are able to influence anyone, and people just try to ignore them.
I think it is mostly dependent on your communication skills and the way you present yourself, like your body language. If your body language is welcoming and your communication skills are up to the mark, so anybody can do the things that you have described earlier.
But I have faced also this kind of condition that many of my cousins are there. When I start comparing me with themselves, so I have felt this that they have a good reputation, or we can say a good image. Okay, wherever they go, whoever they visit to. But in my case, I have also tried to imitate them many times, but I never got that feedback that they get. At
So
all.
their good image is in the circle of their family and friends, or
Everywhere,
at random places
and
also.
I know their real image. Their real image is something else totally.
Sorry, I cannot answer that because
So are they pretentious, you want to say?
Too much.
Okay.
Also,
But they are able to influence others.
हिंदी में वर्ड है तो शादी चालाक है.
Okay.
Cunning.
Cunning. Okay.
I don't think that I can answer that because I haven't experienced that yet.
Is something wrong? Means they are good in
There are a lot of things that are new, and most of the things are wrong in them. They are
What are you talking of? I didn't get that. Okay, right. Fine.
How will
Who are mamas?
how will you describe yourself as a person?
I will describe myself as a person who is trying to improve himself and who is also trying to be disciplined in his methods or in his life. And secondly, I would like to say that I am also a person that on the second side of the coin, I would like to say that I am also a kind of person who can procrastinate anyone.
How do you react when someone criticizes you?
How do you take
Nowadays, I
criticism?
just ignore them. I just ignore them.
Okay, if you get a chance
No,
to make
don't you accept the criticism? Then work on that. By ignoring, how will you improve?
But from criticism, I mostly got criticized on the negative aspects. If there is positive criticism, so I accept that. But mostly there is negative aspects, so I answer based on it.
okay, if you get a chance to make someone feel jealous, so what are the ways by which you can make him or her feel jealous?
But why should I make him or her jealous?
You have to. My condition is that, na?
He has no nature of like making other people feel jealous.
Okay.
Why should he make others?
Like, he has to as well.
He doesn't.
If in hypothetical way, if I have to do that, I can easily do it by showing off my technical skills.
Okay, what are your responsibility towards your society?
Towards my society, I think firstly I do not like to litter waste at the outside the dustbins, and I would do not like to litter the waste in the environment. And secondly, I think that I have also joined several NGOs in helping the society. Like previous year, I also joined the NGO in which we were teaching the unprivileged students who were from the very unprivileged society, a very unprivileged family, and I have gone to their home to convince their parents for allowing them to study in our NGOs.
If you get a lot of money, suppose hypothetically, so what would you like to do for yourself and for the society?
Firstly, I would like to invest majority of the money, and
Where?
like if there is a hell lot of money, so I would like to buy up some of gold and invest in the stock market and trading. And also I can also put a small amount of a good amount of money in FD also. But the return of FD will not be good, so FD will be of around 20 to 25 years.
Currently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi told us to not buy gold. What is the reason for not buying gold?
Or should people really follow that?
What are your opinion about that? What is your
Yes, opinion is similar. Yes.
In the case of buying gold, I do not know the reason why have he said that. But if he have been requesting us to do that, so there should be a reason for that. So I would like to agree with him for now.
Has the regiment of Modi been successful in past years, or do you call it a failure?
Sir, I think it is not as successful that they promote, and I also like to say that it is failed in various cases. Like the education system nowadays is very poor. Like every other paper is getting leaked, and the leaking is done by the authorities who are making the paper. So I think that is also the responsibility of the government to maintain that. And secondly, I also thought that I do not know the working of the government previously before the Modi, because I was not that much of the age. But in Modi government, I also thought that they are not very
Concerned?
concerned. They do not मतलब स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते admit. They do not admit easily, and there is no one to take responsibility. If there is some major thing is done, so they do not admit it easily, or they do not take responsibility for that. For example, like there was the NEET paper leak now
Yes.
in earlier days, and there was no one to take responsibility. If there was any other country and there was a paper leak like that for a national exam, so the highest authority in that, like the education minister there, should have resigned. But in our country, there was not such thing.
the education minister has resigned? Not have resigned, but government has said him to resign or be sacked.
But
Government
it
didn't
is
ask him to be sacked. When did the government ask?
Sir,
Dharmendra Pradhan is there.
the day before yesterday, I
Okay.
read in news.
but the government has asked. But this should be done by the education minister on his own basis.
So he should means you mean to say he should abdicate.
He should abdicate, yes,
It means by himself.
by himself. Yes.
Let's suppose God comes on earth and God's born to give you two power. So what kind of powers will you get from God?
Supernatural powers.
Yes, two powers.
If I can answer this in two ways. Like if I want to improve the society, so I would like to get two different sets of power. But if I would like for my personal gain, so I would like to get two different sets of power. So firstly, I would like to talk about the power that I would like to get for the improvement of society. So firstly, I would like to ask God to improve the education level of the Indian, so that the quality of the younger people can improve. And secondly, I would like to ask him to change the system of the Indian government, because the nowadays system is not that much democratic as it is published, as it is as it is PR, like as it is advertised.
So that your means today's government is not effective.
No, it is effective, but it is not that much effective that they are advertising.
Not as effective
So-
as they advertise. Or as they show.
Don't you feel that democracy is not right for our country and we should opt for something like monarchy or either
No, I don't think
dictatorship?
so. No, I don't. So I think so. I think that democracy is adequate, but there should be some reforms in the constitution system.
But what is actually democracy and why it is harming the country?
But is democracy successful in India? Though democracy is the best out of all. But is it a success in India or a failure?
But from my point of view, the democracy will be success, but there should be some amendments in the constitution. There should be some necessary amendments in the constitution, like there are some laws there that are biased towards specific gender, and there are some laws that are biased towards male, and there are some laws that are biased towards female. So that should be changed, because in our right of freedom we also have right to equality. And secondly, I would like to say that the democracy nowadays is feeling lacking in several ways, because we are not following the democracy as it should be followed.
Would you talk about some specific
Now,
laws?
please stop it because of the time constraint. Otherwise, we are enjoying the conversation. So, we are going to give it a pause here. Okay. Now, give him a huge round of applause.